Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if some keys is not working on your laptop keyboard. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is you need to click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can always search for that in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find Windows Update. And all you have to do is you need to make sure that you are on your latest Windows operating system. Now once updated, close out of here. Because we need to make sure that we are always running the latest version of our Windows. So that is just a basic thing, but that can help you fix the issue. So try on updating your Windows. Then for the next method, is we have to go to the start button, click on that, and then you have to click on the settings icon. You'll find system, and then you have to simply scroll down and you'll find troubleshoot. Now here you'll find other troubleshooters, so simply click on that. And here, if you find the keyboard in the list right here, all you have to do is you need to click on the run button that corresponds for keyboard to simply run the keyboard troubleshooter. So what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And it will also give you suggestions on how you can fix the issue. So run the keyboard troubleshooter. And then for the next method is just go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to type device manager. Click on that. That will appear under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, we need to simply locate the keyboard. So these are all the keyboard driver on your Windows. So you just have to these are all the drivers on your Windows, not just keyboard, but all the drivers on your Windows. So click on keyboards. Then here you'll find your keyboard. Make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, if you have more than one available drivers on your Windows, then you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you, and then click on next. Click on close. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, and we have to close this window, and you have to click on yes, and that will restart your Windows. And after that, just try to see if the problem has been fixed. Now for the final method is you just have to simply make a right click on your keyboard driver again and select the uninstall device. Now you have to click on the uninstall button and that will uninstall the driver on your Windows. And then after that, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.